Hey sellers! Welcome back to the channel. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by a giant, messy keyword list from your research, don't worry, you're not alone. Today, I'm going to show you how to use Helium 10's Frankenstein tool, a super simple but powerful keyword processor that will clean up your keyword list in seconds. Stick around till the end, I've got an up to 50% off Helium 10 discount code just for you. Frankenstein is part of the Helium 10 suite and is designed to help Amazon sellers process large lists of keywords quickly. Think of it like a keyword blender. It takes all your research from tools like Magnet or Cerebro and turns it into a clean, optimized keyword list ready for your listing or PPC campaigns. Go to Frankenstein inside your Helium 10 dashboard. Paste in your long list of keywords, whether from Cerebro, Magnet, or any other source. Now here's where the magic happens. Use the options on the left to clean up your list. Remove duplicate words. Remove single letters or unnecessary words. Sort by frequency or a Z. Convert all text to lowercase. Remove unwanted characters, like commas or tabs. Click Process, and boom! You now have a clean, deduped list of keywords that's ready to go. Want to go deeper? Frankenstein also gives you word count analysis. Export in single-line or multi-line formats. Ability to keep phrases intact or break them down into individual words. Filter by minimum character count or frequency. These features are perfect for building back-end search terms, bullet points, or PPC ad groups. Now for the good part, discounts. Use the code EBIZA10 to get 10% off every month forever. Or, if you prefer a bigger short-term saving, use EBIZA20 for 20% off your first 6 months. And if you use our special affiliate link in the description, you'll unlock exclusive deals you won't find anywhere else. Hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment if you've tried Helium 10 or plan to.